In this video, I'm going to have a look at how we can expand brackets. We call this the distributive law, and so I like to call it the wave because I always teach my students to draw in the lines first, and it looks like a wave image. So to start with, the lines here, I get them to draw them in because that tells us what we need to multiply. So using our distributive law, we're going to do our 3 times m, and we're going to do 3 times 4. So we're going to write 3 times m plus 3 times 4. And so we'll get 3 times m is 3m plus 12. So we've expanded out those brackets. In the next one, I've got 2a. So I just wanted to show you how to do that when we don't have a number outside the bracket. So in this case, we're going to draw in our lines, our wave. Then we're going to do a times a. And then we're going to do a times 2. The other difference here is there is a minus in our bracket. When we do a times a, we get a squared. And when we do a times 2, we get 2a. So we end up with a squared minus 2a as our answer. In the third example, I've got 2 different brackets there. So I'm going to expand one, and then I'm going to expand the next. So the first one I'm going to do, draw in my lines. I get 3 times m, take 3 times 4. And then I'm going to draw in my lines for the second one, and that'll give me 2 times m plus 2 times 3. Just be careful if you have a minus there that you apply that to both parts of the bracket. We've got a plus, so that makes it easier. 3 times m is 3m, take 3 times 4 is 12. We're going to add to that 2 times m is 2m, and 2 times 3 is 6. Now we're going to collect our like terms. So 3m plus 2m gives us 5m. And then we've got negative 12 plus 6 gives us minus 6 overall.